cup of water is always the best way to start your day. Currently I'm on a cutting diet. I've lost around 0.5 kilograms of weight in 2 to 3 weeks time. Speaking of that, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how do I actually learn the muscle up in just 5 simple steps. Losing half a kilograms of weight in 2 to 3 weeks time is actually not my desired result, because I wish to actually lose at least 1 kilograms of weight in a month. However, let's be honest guys, we all are humans. Sometimes we hang out with friends, we drink a little bit more, or you eat a little bit more than what you're supposed to eat based on your diet. But the most important thing is, you get back on track on your diet the next day and you follow through your workout schedule. Things will be fine. Before you actually learn the muscle up, there's one thing that you have to know guys. That is simply to understand the muscle up. So when I say understanding the muscle up, it means that you gotta realize the muscle up contains of two main movements, which is the pull up and also a straight bar dip. When you combine pulling and pushing movements together, we have a muscle up. When you understand this concept, it's gonna be way easier for you to execute the muscle up in the future. So remember, pull and push. Point number 2, master the pull-up. Basically, when you perform a pull-up, it builds your basic pulling strength to pull your body away from the ground towards the bar. So when you do not have the basic pulling strength, it's going to be very hard for you to perform an explosive pull-up. It's not the muscle up yet, but an explosive pull-up. Personally, when I got my first muscle up, I was able to perform 12 reps of pull-ups. So what are you waiting for? Let's practice our pull-ups. Alright, before I review the rest of the points in helping you learning your very first muscle up, let's get some workout done guys. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Let's go. So now the workout is done and the pump in your body is definitely awesome. For today's workout, we only need the pull-up bar and a dip bar. Point number 3, drink more water. Drink more water, more muscle ups. Nah, I'm just joking. So point number 3 is master the explosive pull-ups. That's more like it. So by activating your type 2 muscle fiber while you're performing an explosive pull-up, it's gonna bring you up higher above the bar than a normal pull-up. You can practice this pulling yourself up above the bar till your chest level or your waist level. Personally for me, it was pretty hard to perform a regular explosive pull-up. That's why most of the time I will let the momentum generated from the swing combine with my pulling strength to bring me up above the bar. If only if you can change your hairstyle in a split second, the world will be a better place. Anyways, let's move on to the next point. Master the technique. Alright, For point number 4, it's gonna be a little bit tricky because I'm gonna cover several techniques. First, you're gripping on the bar. It must be shoulder width apart. Moving on, before you even jump onto the bar, make sure you step one step behind the bar so that when you jump onto the bar, you get a little bit of swing. Once you reach towards the end point of the swing, explode up with your explosive pull-up. Now I understand that some of you might not even have the strength to perform a proper explosive pull-up, but here's a tip for you guys. Before you explode up, use the momentum to kick up a little bit using an L-sit or a front tuck lever by bending your knees. And also make sure that you imagine yourself going up in a curved line so that you go away from the bar and over the bar. Alright, let's see what we got for today's groceries. Something very new to me. It's bacon. I'm gonna try and cook this today, and I'm gonna show you guys how I cook it, even though I'm not a good cook. And some beef patty. Eat together with the sandwich as a sandwich or burger. Here's some powder for you to marinate some meat, chicken, or whatever. And here is the ultimate bodybuilder food. Chicken breast, bro.
Hey all you bacon lovers out there, today's episode I'm going to show you how to make or cook bacon perfectly. Now what does that mean? The end result is a nice evenly cooked piece of bacon.
Let's do it. Alright guys, post-workout meal done. What? Point number 5? So, point number 1 to number 4 is just for you to reach to the top of the bar. Once you are up there, you just need to add one more movement, which is the straight bar dip, to complete the muscle up. And there you have it, 5 points in completing the muscle up. So I hope those 5 points make sense to you guys, and I wish this video can actually help you in learning your very first muscle up. If you make it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it guys. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on notification to get my latest update of my videos. Double your effort, double your results, and remember, you're awesome!